Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk. We are personal injury claims specialists. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and we offer a no-win, no-fee service. Today, I'm going to be taking a look at broken thumb recovery. We'll go over some of the steps that we recommend you take, as well as looking at information provided by the NHS in regards to dealing with a broken thumb. If you have any questions or requests, let us know in the comments, and if you like this video, please do hit that thumbs up button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. If you've sustained a thumb injury following an accident that wasn't your fault but was down to the negligence of others, you should bear in mind that you may be entitled to compensation. In order to bring a claim for compensation, we recommend that you speak to a personal injury claims specialist that has experience in dealing with thumb injury claims. Now, you may qualify for free private treatment if the accident which resulted in your injury was down to the negligence of others by bringing a claim for compensation. Now, you won't be expected to pay anything up front, and we'll do all we can to ensure that all costs are covered if you decide to bring a claim with us. So call us on 0800 652 7676 in order to find out if you're eligible, or visit our around-the-clock live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, so you can speak to us whenever you'd like. Now, in terms of advice offered by the NHS, they advise that you seek medical assistance as soon as possible if you've broken one of your thumbs, as it may need treatment, including a broken thumb cast or splint, in order to heal as soon as possible. It can sometimes be hard to tell whether or not a thumb is broken, dislocated, or badly sprained, so an X-ray may be taken. According to NHS.uk, they recommend that you should call 111 or go to an urgent treatment centre if your thumb is painful, swollen and bruised, stiff or difficult to move, and that you should go to A&E if you have had an injury and your thumb is pointing at an odd angle, looks blue or feels numb, is cut and you can see bone through it, is cut and there's bone poking out of it. Whilst you're waiting to see a doctor, the NHS also advise that you try not to move the thumb. It may help to tape it to the finger next to it. Lift your hand to reduce swelling. Apply an ice pack or a bag of frozen peas wrapped in a tea towel for 15 to 20 minutes every 2 to 3 hours to reduce swelling. If there's a cut, cover it with clean dressing. Take a painkiller such as paracetamol, but do not take ibuprofen until a doctor has confirmed your thumb is broken. Remove any rings from the affected hand. Now, in terms of treatments for your broken thumb, there's a number of options, and the NHS advise that a doctor or nurse might try to straighten your finger. They'll give you an injection of local anaesthetic to numb the pain. Put your finger in a splint or cast, or strap it to another finger to keep it in position. Give you a tetanus injection or antibiotics if there's a cut to prevent infection. There are a number of things which the NHS recommends that you can do to help ease the pain and speed up the healing of the broken thumb. Take painkillers such as paracetamol or ibuprofen to relieve pain. Keep your hand up to reduce swelling. Rest it on a cushion or pillow. Gently hold an ice pack or a bag of frozen peas wrapped in a tea towel on the finger or thumb for 15 to 20 minutes every 2 to 3 hours. They also advise that you do not try to use the affected hand so it can heal properly. Now, broken thumb usually heals within 2 to 8 weeks, but it can in some cases take up to 3 to 4 months before full strength is recovered to your hand. Now, once the injury is healed, keeping your thumb mobile will stop it from getting stiff. If you have any concerns, ask your doctor for some gentle hand exercises, as well as guidance on when it may be safe to return to any sports or activities that put a lot of strain on your thumb and fingers. You shouldn't be afraid to contact your GP if you're worried the break is not healing properly. The pain and swelling has not started to ease after a few days. It hurts to use the thumb once the cast or strapping is off. So if you've been involved in an accident which has resulted in a broken thumb and you believe that you're entitled to compensation, we'll be more than happy to hear from you. You should bear in mind that if you're successful in your claim for compensation, the cost of any private treatment should be covered, as well as any loss of income from time off work, which may be claimed back for when bringing the claim for compensation. If we take your case on, we'll be more than happy to put you in touch with a medical specialist in order to further aid your broken thumb recovery. And aim to find you one in your area so that you're not having to go out of your way should you require any further treatment in order to aid your recovery. Of course, the circumstances of each incident are never the same, and whether or not you believe you have a valid claim, it's always advisable that you speak to an expert on the matter. So if you'd like further assistance, we are personal injury claim specialists. We offer free, friendly advice on no-win, no-fee compensation claims, so there's not a penny to pay if you lose. Get the maximum compensation that you deserve. We're rated 4.8 out of 5 stars, and we have specialist solicitors with up to 30 years experience. It'll only take just a couple of minutes for our team, who'll be happy to answer any questions you may have to help establish whether or not you have a valid claim. Call now on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. Don't forget to subscribe, as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis. You can also check out one of our recommended videos or head over to legalexpert.co.uk, where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice from our live chat, read articles and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis with your personal injury claim.